How to see a sent friend request in Snapchat. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to see a sent friend request in Snapchat. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you were connected to a proper working internet connection, and now go ahead and open the Snapchat application. You will be led to the camera. Here on the top left, you will see the search option. Tap on the search option and now go ahead and search for the user you want to see the send friend request of, and now tap on the user's name. If the user has this type of blue icon on the top right beside their username, then you can tell that the friend request has been sent but the receiver is yet to accept the request. And this is how you can see a send friend request in Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.